Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name. Green color, red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, yellow color. Kids, now coloring numbers. Kids, first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use green color, O N E 1. 2. The numbers of 2, T W or 2. Kids, now draw 3. The numbers of 3 and use red color, T H R W 3. Kids, again use red color and draw 4, F O U R 4. Kids, now draw 5. The numbers of 5 and use blue color, F I V E 5. 6. The numbers of 6, S I X 6. Kids, now draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use yellow color, S E V E and 7. 8. The numbers of 8, E I G H T 8. Kids, now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use black color, N I N E 9. 10. The numbers of 10, T E and 10. Kids, now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow ochre color, Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids, now draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use green color, Kids, again use green color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids, now draw 15. The numbers of 15 and use red color, Kids, again use red color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids, now draw 17. The numbers of 17 and use blue color, Kids, again use blue color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. Kids, now draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use yellow color, Kids, again use yellow color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids, now draw 21. The numbers of 21 and use black color, 22. The numbers of 22. Kids, now draw 23. The numbers of 23 and use yellow ochre color, 24. The numbers of 24. Kids, neither 25. The numbers of 25 and use green color. Green color. Kids, again use green color and draw 26. The numbers of 26. Kids, neither 27. The numbers of 27 and use red color. Red color. 28. The numbers of 28 and again use red color. Kids, neither 29. The numbers of 29 and use blue color. Blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw kids, today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.